What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2005 Crown Vic Police Interceptor P71, I think they call them. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, 2004. What we got done on this thing? 4 converters. I don't know why they put 4 converters, but they do. One here, one here, one here, one here. Then factory H-pipe right there. So he watched our videos online. He said, this is the sound I want. So he brought it in and we hooked them up. Flowmaster Flow FX is right there and right there. Part number 71415. There'll be a link in the description for it right there for these beautiful beasts. Then factory tailpipes out the back there. And right there, clears everything, nice, clean, like nothing happened. There you go. And it was an Alabama fire prevention vehicle, as you guys can see. So it's seen many, many fires probably, you think? Nobody knows. Anyways, if I can only speak, imagine the stories it would tell. Anyways, and there's the factory 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. So there they are. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, sir. All right, guys, 2008 Ford Crown Vic Police Edition, all the way from Virginia, guys, 10 hours away. We really appreciate our fans coming down and taking care of their stuff with us. You guys don't know, we always give good big discounts when people drive this much for us. So we really do appreciate him coming down. And he's a veteran too. We really appreciate his service. 4 converters, 2 there. 2 there. Then he had a custom H-pipe installed right there, bolt on. Then what we installed is 2 Carven TR performance mufflers right there. There's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. 2 of them. Then the tailpipes continue 2-inch on each side, there and there. You guys ever wonder, the design on these tailpipes is crazy. Look, it goes all the way up, over, and then this way and then all the way. You got to get a mandrel bender to get those bent, or we have, like muffler shops will have to bend them in 2 pieces, but we always get them just pre-bent and put them on. And then you got 2 tips to complete the look right there and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. Look at that, very nice. There's the stock 2 mufflers that we cut off right there and the end of the tips. Yeah, right there. That's cute. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, we got a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria 1-owner car. Look at this thing. It is absolutely beautiful. Him and his grandson are building it. They're gonna put a supercharger in it and everything else. It's gonna be crazy. Then we're pulling in this truck. What we got done on this beautiful beast. High flow cats there and there. Secondaries, their main ones we left alone for now. He might change them once he puts the headers on it. Then he brought his own Borla kit. Right there. Part number 140360. Full cat back system with an H-pipe, as you guys can see there. 2 Borla mufflers, there and there. Rear axle on each side there. And then we installed tips for hangers, because it didn't come with hangers, which was kind of weird on the passenger side. There. And there, I guess it was just made for or the dualed out one, not single. So we did the conversion. So remember, guys, if you're gonna order this kit, make sure you take it to a muffler shop for them to install it. If your exhaust is only single, because they will need to add solid mount hangers like we did there, and then one over there, okay? Because it will only come with hangers on one side. But there she is, she's all done, clean, beautiful. There's the wide pipe assembly into the muffler. And there's that one single tailpipe that was on it right there. We took all that off and dualed it out. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that. Oh yeah, nice and deep. Go easy on her. Go easy on her. Grab it. Your sound decibels. Right at 98.5. So right at 100, back it up. They're made to be driven. That's how I look at it. That's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. All right, guys, 4 Crown Vic. Here we go. Go ahead. That's a nice new coat. Carven TRs. Rev it gently. And these will break in about 30 days, get a little bit louder. That's deep. I like that. If you want it louder, get rid of the H pipe. That's later on down the road if you want. Go ahead, sound decibels. So right at 97. Again. I love the police interceptors. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. I think it should be louder.
I'll be able to hear that thing singing anyway.
Your sound decibels. Right at 90. Yeah, right at 90. Round big. Orla Touring Edition. Dual exhaust. Like old school wheels. It looks good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Oh, electrical. Because they cut all the lights off. Yep. Go! Forget the traffic, make it stop! No, I'm kidding, man. See ya! Enjoy, guys.
Clean Carven TR. Oh, that sounds good. Enjoy, guys. 4 Crown Vic all the way from Dixon, Tennessee, about 2 hours away. We appreciate them bringing it in. It's got a full Borla kit. It stopped raining enough just to do the video. Good.
go.
That sounds really clean, smooth.